Kit cushions, childproof, this time made in USA. Basic instructions, model number, UPC, made in USA. Okay, to clean the surface, and this time is different. It's angle, a second piece, and a third piece. Angle, second piece, third piece. Angle, second piece, third piece. Angle, second piece, and third piece. So this goes this way, this other piece goes here, and the other piece goes there. So taking this first piece, just to make it easier, it says clean the surface, remove, okay, peeling the sticker. Sometimes it's good to have this kind of nails. Okay, I took the wrong piece, so again, this is the right piece. Stick it. I seem to have a little bit of difficulty. Okay, it was a little bit difficult, but it does seem to peel off some thin layer, as you can see in the reflection. It's right here. So now I'll try the other piece that supposedly works or not. Okay, so this is what seems to be. You peel this off. Once it's peeled, you stick it here in the corner or somewhere, and then it's supposed to peel this off, and this thin layer like this peels off. Alright, this is extremely difficult, I mean, compared to the previous video that I had. So you can see this reflection, that piece does peel off. Now I'm gonna try this third corner. Continue. Just peel this piece off, and you see a little reflective surface. That you stick here. It's interesting that the previous model they had was easier, so hopefully they remove this, and then you're supposed to just peel this part off. When done wrong, this is what I wind up getting. It's difficult. I'll try again. I have nails. Okay, having nails, I was able to peel this one off. What these things should have is some kind of printing on it to make it a little bit more easy. It doesn't cost anything extra, just a machine. So there you go. And now to put it on the corner. Again, this is very difficult. It's not that easy for every single person. Okay, this did peel off. Now that I got the hang of it. Okay, works. As when you peel off, this is what happened to me again, or before. I was about to return this to where this was bought. To pay $9 for this is ridiculous, and then the government wants their tax. Again, this is what happened. I'll make further attempts to peel this off. In that process, part of the paper ripped, but I was able to use it to remove the rest. This is awful. Unless you pay and find this in a 99-cent store. Look, this is peeled off a bit. Now to think what a child can do. I cannot imagine the creativity of a child. Now to attempt to put this at this corner. I think a better thing would have been to put the sticker here first and then put the corner on, or whatever. This may not be okay because the cushion is extended a bit out, so how many children are likely to pull this off? Anyway, this remains to be seen with a 1-year-old or 2-year-old. But really, at least it's good to see something that some company is still making in the US. So, but really the sticker needs help.